Hello, Minneapolis. John with Grey Duck Dent Repair of Minnesota here. Had the opportunity to work on this Mazda fender the other day. As you can see, very sharp dent goes through the body line in several places. Real sharp crown up top. Luckily, none of that paint was cracked, so we were able to take care of that repair utilizing Paintless Dent Removal. This was a lease return vehicle, so it was very important to the customer that we were able to take care of this repair without affecting her Carfax and also maintaining that factory finish. We were able to take care of that right in the customer's garage, as we are a fully mobile service serving the entire Twin Cities metro. So if you got dents, give us a call, 651-492-DENT.